Today I'm going to show you an inexpensive small tier tray that you can make with items from the dollar store. So if you have limited space, a small countertop that you would like to have a tiered tray but you really don't have room for the big ones, this is for you. I personally use mine because I live in an RV and space is limited, and I use it to display my tiered trade items that I sell online, so it's perfect for that. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so these are little balsa wood trays that you can get at the dollar store, actually the Dollar Tree, and they are only 5 by 7, so they're small. They have little cutouts on the ends. You can get them matching. They have some with this, they have some with circles, they have some with stars. Then all you have to do, paint them like I have done to this. I've made a couple. This one's painted gray, this one in copper, this one has the circle, well, the ovals. Also, you can get candle holders like this from the Dollar Tree, and they're votive holders, and you'll notice I put the votive side at the top so it doesn't take up too much of your available space to put your items, because your tray is already small. Also, I used some of the beads that we use on the wood garlands. I just used E6000, glued those on, spray painted them with the rest of it, and here you go. There's your tier tray. Just big enough to display a couple of items. You could also make it 3 tiers. Let me get this in here. Put another rack on top if you wanted 3 tiers. You can stagger them, put one this way, one that way, one on an angle, however you like it. You can use different things. This is an old Avon bottle, a milk glass vase that I'm going to use for a tiered tray. Just glue it on here, glue the other tray on the bottom. You've got a cute little tray. Let me hold that up so you can see it. So it's pretty simple. This one, I turned the trays upside down so that they don't have that lip that's taking away the space that I can display things on. So you could put a little picture. This, by the way, is from the Dollar Tree, and I've just put stickers. I painted it, put stickers, and then sealed it. So you could set your little item on there. So, got a little succulent plant, then your little sign. You actually could put a clear, the little peel and stick hooks. You could put one of those and hang your sign. Put your garland. Another little sign. Trying to do this backwards, so hard to tell what I'm doing. A little jar. Maybe a seashell. And there you have your tier tray. Quick, easy, don't forget to look at the Dollar Tree. They don't sponsor me or anything. I know a lot of people would like to do these things that are popular, but they don't really have the funds to go and buy a lot of stuff. So check the Dollar Tree. They've got all kinds of adorable little items you can sit on your shelf, like coffee mugs that say different little things. I have, of course, the beach. This little bottle, sand from my favorite beach. I made this with washi tape that I just put around a little. It was an old peppermint bottle from my peppermint extract. They have these little clipboards. It's an easel. You can put a picture on there. You can put a little saying. It fits nicely. You actually could drape your little garland over it. You know, you're creative. You can do it. Have fun with it. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Otherwise, check back on Tuesdays. I will be uploading my videos for Tuesdays. Bye-bye.